Hi, in this video I will show you how to add another domain with your hosting in Namecheap. First of all, log into your Namecheap account dashboard and then go to domain list. And in this domain list, here you will find all of your purchased domains. And now, for example, I want to add this domain to my hosting. So first of all, I'm going to copy this domain name from here and then go to hosting section, and here you will find all of your hostings. Now just click on cPanel next to the hosting in which hosting you want to add the domain. Just go to cPanel. Once you are in your cPanel, now scroll down and under domains click on domain. And now here we have to add our another domain. So click on create a new domain. And in this domain box, enter the domain. And now document root file system location. You can change location from here. You can change your subdomain name from here and then just click on submit. And that's it. Here, as you can see, I've successfully added my another domain in this hosting. Now you can easily install website or WordPress into this domain. To install WordPress, all you have to need, go to your cPanel again and open Software's apps installer and search for WordPress. Just click on install. Choose installation URL. Click on this domain drop down and now select the domain that you just added. And now scroll down and here you can change your WordPress admin username password and scroll down and just click on install. And as you can see, the WordPress is installing to my domain. So this is how we can add another domain to hosting and install WordPress into the domain. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.